Are you looking for an affordable condo with top-notch upgrades and breathtaking lake views? If so, stick around. You're not going to want to miss this one. Welcome to the township of Coconut Creek, a massive community known for its beautiful villas and cozy condos. After you move in, you're going to be lucky enough to be living by one of the biggest attractions in all of South Florida, the Seminole Casino of Coconut Creek. This is where locals and visitors enjoy slots, blackjack, poker, and roulette, alongside enjoying gourmet dining at one of 5 restaurants on site. And we can't forget about having drinks at one of their multiple lounges. And the excitement doesn't end there, because this casino hosts events year-round. For fitness enthusiasts, the Township Athletic Center is a dream come true. With 2 floors of workout equipment, basketball, tennis, and pickleball courts, all exclusive to the residents and their guests. But that's not all. Living in the township means you have access to the massive Clubhouse, featuring a 522-seat performing arts center with musical productions and star-studded performances all year long. The ballroom hosts dances, dinners, and special events, while the Clubhouse offers a variety of classes, programs, and seminars, including ping pong, billiards, woodworking, ceramics, piano, karate, a library, and aerobics. And now we made it to your condo. This is the perfect open concept split bedroom floor plan. You notice that the secondary bedrooms, there are 2 of them, are on the right side of your condo, and on the other side of your condo, you have your primary suite, which is perfect for privacy. The open concept of this layout is perfect for maximizing your square footage and entertaining your guests. You'll see you have your dining room here, and right off your dining room, you have your living room. And what's really cool about your living room, you'll notice on the windows and in the rest of this condo, plantation shutters. And these in particular, if you look through them, you have your stunning lake views. So this is really, really cool. It's like your cozy little tucked away kitchen. And you can see that they spared no expenses on upgrading this space. Check it out. High-end stainless steel appliances, a granite countertop that perfectly matches the backsplash and the cabinets. If you want to check out this amazing condo, you better move quick, because this is one of the best priced condos for this size in this whole area. And by the way, if you want to see more videos just like this, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell.